Hi, this is Anusha. Now we are going to see how to perform the banking operations using exception handling concepts and through the inheritance concept. So first of all, I have imported the necessary packets. In order to create the user defined exception, I have created a class called myException which extends the exception, and here you can see I have created the super message too. So first, in order to implement the concept of inheritance, first I have created the base class called bank here with the necessary attributes and the constructors to perform the functions. So while going to the other class in which the functions are performed, the bank services that extends the base class bank. So here inside the bank services, we can see we have performed the various operations like void create account. So in create account, using the try and catch, which will throw the user defined exception, we are taking the name, account number and the amount to be deposited for the first time, that is the initial amount here. If it is not touching the minimum balance, it throws the message that the minimum balance should be maintained and the data will be updated. So here we can see the next function is the deposit function, in which when you deposit the values, the data get added automatically to the balance and it get updated. Else if any exception, any default, it throws the my exception. This also is done by the using try catch, and same thing is done with the withdraw, but the amount is detected so that it will be taken out from the balance over here. So you can see this is done with using the try catch and the if conditions. So it will throw the exception. So finally we will check the balance. This everything is tested in the class called main class. So in the main class we are creating the object of the class which is already inherited, and with this we are calling the every function. So using try catch and do while the switch conditions, I'm performing each and every operations. You can see in case 1, case 2 and case 3. This is done with by a calling with the object of the bank services, that is inherited class. And finally it throws the exception if any default. So this is all about the program. Once we try to run the program, so you can see it here. So enter the name, Anusha, amount 3000. So enter the amount to be deposited. So I am depositing 3000. So it's displaying the message, hello Anusha, enter the choice to be performed in your account. So 1, deposit 3000. So press 1 to continue. So I want to withdraw 1000. If you want to check the balance, so 3. If you check the balance, it's showing 5000. Press 1. If you want to withdraw, so we want to withdraw again 1000. So it's successfully debited. Like this we can do this program. Thank you for watching this video.